Hello, and welcome to Clear Explanation. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of AI automation and how organizations can harness its power to drive efficiency, innovation, and growth. So if you're ready to unlock the potential of AI for your business, stick around. First things first, what exactly is AI automation? AI automation refers to the use of artificial intelligence technologies to automate repetitive and time-consuming tasks. This can range from simple data entry to complex decision-making processes. The goal is to free up human workers to focus on more strategic, creative, and high-value tasks. For instance, in manufacturing, AI-powered robots can handle repetitive assembly tasks with precision and speed. In customer service, AI chatbots can manage basic inquiries, providing instant responses and support. And in data analysis, AI can process vast amounts of information quickly, identifying trends and insights that might be missed by human analysts. Now, let's talk about the benefits of AI automation for organizations. Implementing AI automation can lead to significant improvements in efficiency, accuracy, and scalability. Here are a few key advantages. 1. Increased efficiency. AI can handle repetitive tasks much faster than humans, leading to increased productivity. 2. Cost savings. By automating routine tasks, organizations can reduce labor costs and minimize errors. 3. Improved accuracy. AI systems are designed to perform tasks with high precision, reducing the risk of human error. 4. Scalability. AI solutions can easily scale to handle growing volumes of work without the need for additional resources. So how can your organization explore AI automation? Here are a few steps to get started. 1. Identify opportunities. Begin by identifying areas in your business that can benefit from automation. Look for repetitive, time-consuming tasks that can be streamlined. 2. Choose the right tools. Research and choose the AI tools and platforms that best suit your needs. Popular options include AI-powered software for data analysis, customer service, and process automation. 3. Invest in training. Ensure your team is well equipped to work with AI technologies. Invest in training programs to help employees understand and leverage AI tools effectively. 4. Pilot projects, small pilot projects, to test the effectiveness of AI automation in your organization. Use the insights gained to refine your approach and scale up gradually. 5. Monitor and optimize. Continuously monitor the performance of your AI solutions and make adjustments as needed. Keep an eye on emerging AI trends and innovations to stay ahead of the curve. AI automation has the potential to revolutionize the way we work and do business. By leveraging AI technologies, organizations can achieve greater efficiency, innovation, and growth. So why wait? Start exploring AI automation for your organization today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.